Right, here's just a quick review video of Funnel Snoop by one of my favourite internet marketers, Adam Payne. Now, this is the sales page. 12 proven and tested high converting video ad funnels for you to model for your own offers. Now, you will not find any hype on Adam's sales pages. He's a really down-to-earth guy. He's one of the good guys in the internet marketing industry. You won't find any bullshit with Adam. He practices what he preaches, and he's a genuinely nice guy. Right then, let's just dive into the members area. So this is the front end of it. You've got your welcome and introduction. Do actually watch that. He'll walk you through how to get the most out of the product. And then you've got your video ad funnels in this section. Let me just show you what they are. So basically what you've got here is research these funnels. These funnels convert. Well, these are obviously other people's funnels that they've got running on Facebook and YouTube in different niches. Now, the advantage of finding out what works is it just saves you a ton of money in testing stuff out. Now, this is not copy and paste. Okay, you can't rip these guys videos and landers off and not expect repercussions, but you can model them. All right, so we've got real estate, we've got copywriting, MLM. Now, MLM, that's a great kind of a great thing to get away with on Facebook and, well, any ad platform. So let's have a look at that. Look at that. So you've got the ad copy, and you've got the video. All right. So, and you can find out where they're sending the traffic and the targeting. Okay. Adam's on about actually providing the transcripts for all these videos, so you can reword them to your own. So it's got, different niches that you can mimic, okay, and build your own funnels around. And then on top of that, let me just go back a bit more. Okay, you've got how to set up your own. So this is your video training on how to set everything up and create your own funnels. All right, so we've got social video media specs, creating the square talking head video. By the way, Adam, if you don't know anything about Adam Payne, he's a go-to guy with anything related to YouTube and video marketing, etc. He's an awesome guy too. I highly recommend you join his private Facebook group as well. It doesn't let anybody in, but it's worth getting into. All right. So you got audio and creating all the videos and uploading them, all step by step, and all from a guy who actually does what he preaches. So I highly recommend you get this if video marketing's your thing and you want some proven funnels to work with. Yeah, get it. Now, there are a couple of upsells. One of them is 12. I think it's 12 videos. Is it 11? Can't remember now. 11 or 12 YouTube funnels, okay, that's just for YouTube, not for Facebook. These are for YouTube. And there is also a monthly option where you can get a couple of funnels a month. So those are the only two upsells. But yeah, I highly recommend the front end product if video marketing on Facebook is something you want to do, and YouTube, etc., is what you want to do. All right, so there's some good funnels in there for you to get hold of and run with. Okay, now if you're watching this on YouTube, just click the link below and you'll be taken to my page with all the bonuses on for this product. All right, so enjoy your training.